I was planning a lot of events at the time. But I couldn't. Let me say bafona bathi mama unawo singaza namhlanje ndathi na ewe ngizafika endlini ngo5 wathi kube Friday awubhizanga phofu ngemoto ndithi na engixakeke ukufa ndizogqiba uba ucingisa ngeservice stop kuzohanje njani ndithi na engixakekile la athi okay mhlawumbe uzophangela yonke le weekend tonight athi okay safika Monday bayakhommunicate ndiyotshela bona kodwa bona bakhommunicate nami ukuthi bazosayina akuthi abalasana ngokuthi bafika ngomvulo bathi xa befika ndabizwa ngendlini sendlini vuka ndihlambe ngosekuseni ngene toilet yenza number 1 andiphumi ngahlangana abaqhibayo ekagqibi ndivinokho oko bafikile thobo ndivinhliziyo yami yasinka kodwa usinka nje ndithi baba ulungile uba intando yakho lena ewe ulungile uba nguwe uvumayo ewe mayihambe ulungile uba umntwana wami kodwa phambili. You understand the pain of losing one. I'll say understand you know your hammer it takes. I'll say understand you know your hammer because you never have any yako. I'll tell you I think that with a big smile on my face. But it's all a brain task. It was a figure. One shitty go. Except my crew. Except but hama masileko tethenye ngoku siyothathenye yomuntu ushosi thathele moto kanye kwenzeka ntoni ngawo ithe hayi shulekele hamba nayo ndimoya ukuthi ujoga kasisi ujoga buhlungu kodwa ngicela ngothixo ngikhonzayo ngothixo ngikhonzayo mna andisokola uphume endlini ayibanawo thando bafika bazobeka imoto zabo phambi kwendlalo ayongithi bathanda bafike athi already sekhona sekilana already thatha imini yonke ngizidinga hamba nayo thiba uhamba ngenxa yokuthi ngimkhonza namhlanje ngizenza ngale namhlanje ndizophinde ndiyoyibeka phela into yeyithatha. I'm talking about the power of association. Uthixo bathatha into angakubekeli into. Uthasusa lena athi sakhathazekile athi anginalo icebo ngalo. Nami ngimvesana thatha lokho. Hayi thatha lena into. Thatha ngothixo ngimkhonza. Izolo kulela ungatyanga kodwa namhlanje sibona sokuthini. Izolo kuphela kodwa namhlanje sibone sokuthenga. Thatha ngothixo simkhonza.